This video guides you through creating a checkbook in ChequeSystem software. To begin, navigate to the menu Management and select Checkbook Management. A pop-up window will appear. Click the green Add button to open the checkbook window, where you can enter checkbook details. Begin by picking an icon for the checkbook, choosing from 8 available colors. Enter the checkbook ID, account name, and account number. The checkbook ID is a unique identifier you choose. The account name and number correspond to the associated bank account. These details help in identification and tracking of your checkbook. Adjust the currency label and subunit to fit your needs, letting you change, for example, dollars to pounds. Specify the check number sequence in the check number field. When creating a new check, the software will assign the check number based on this sequence. Optionally, set an ending check number to limit check creation. You can also add a leading 0 to the check numbers if desired. If needed, enable the Track Account Balance feature to keep an eye on your account. You can also set an overdraft limit. The balance updates automatically with each new check. Choose a check layout matching your checkbook for accurate printing. The software provides over 200 layouts from various banks. You may edit existing layout or create your own layout if needed. Determine the default values for checkboxes by selecting the default checked option boxes. These values will be applied when creating a new check. After filling in the fields, click Save to create the checkbook. The software will save your settings, and the new checkbook will be created. Close the pop-up, return to the main screen. Select the new checkbook on the left to access it. Here, you can create new checks. By following these simple steps, you can easily create checkbook in ChequeSystem software.